Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on 3 horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on your Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account. On your account page, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. To deactivate your account, tap on Deactivate. And again on Deactivate. After tapping Deactivate, it will direct you to verify your account with sending you 6-digit code. Write down the 6-digit code sent by TikTok. After you write down the 6-digit code, tap on Deactivate Account. A menu will pop up. Tap on Deactivate. So that is how you deactivate TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.